Hello everyone. Want to capture stunning aerial shots but not sure which drone to choose? After testing and comparing a wide range of models, we've picked 5 amazing drones that deliver smooth flight control, crystal clear footage, and smart features perfect for both beginners and pros. Each one offers incredible value, stability, and camera quality to take your videos to the next level. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Let's dive in and get started. Product number 1, DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is an ultra-lightweight drone designed for travelers, creators, and beginners who want professional results without complexity. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it easy to carry anywhere. The 4K Ultra HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, detailed footage even in windy conditions. With a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers and a flight time of 31 minutes, you can explore wide landscapes or capture cinematic shots effortlessly. The Mini 4K also supports intelligent flight modes like quick shots and auto return, helping even first-time pilots capture perfect angles. Wind resistance up to level 5 adds stability, while its compact foldable design makes it extremely portable. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or filming outdoor adventures, this drone delivers steady visuals every time. Pros: crisp 4K camera, strong stability, compact design. Cons: single battery and base package. Who it's for: ideal for travelers and first-time drone users. Final verdict: a perfect balance of performance, image quality, and portability in one tiny powerhouse. Product number 2, Potensic ATOM 2. The Potensic ATOM 2 is built for creators who want to shoot cinematic footage anywhere. It features a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor that captures up to 48 MP photos and true 4K HDR videos with stunning detail. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps every shot stable, even in motion or wind. The drone weighs just under 249 grams, so it requires no FAA registration and folds neatly into a travel bag. It offers up to 96 minutes of total flight time using 3 intelligent batteries included in the Fly More combo. With a 10 kilometers HD video transmission range, AI tracking, vertical shooting, and quick shots, this drone is perfect for content creators on the move. AI night shot mode enhances low-light performance for sharp footage at dusk or indoors. The ATOM 2 is also fast charging, needing just about 1.3 hours for a full charge, letting you get back in the air quickly. Pros: excellent 4K HDR camera, long battery endurance, stable connection. Cons: higher price point than basic models. Who it's for: perfect for vloggers and hobbyists seeking professional quality shots. Final verdict: the ATOM 2 is a creator's dream, combining power, clarity, and endurance in a compact, travel-ready frame. Product number 3, Karuisrc K600 GPS 5 GPS 2K drone. The Karuisrc K600 GPS 5 is a professional GPS drone designed for adults and beginners who want stable, cinematic aerial footage. It features a 2K HD adjustable camera and a 4.5-inch HD screen on the controller for real-time FPV viewing without using a phone. The advanced GPS system provides accurate positioning, stable hovering, and automatic return to home, while flight modes like Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Waypoint Flight add creative flexibility. The brushless motor ensures quiet, powerful flight with good wind resistance. A 32 GB SD card and carrying case are included for convenience. Pros: built-in LCD controller for real-time FPV. Reliable GPS stability with smart flight modes. Cons: flight range is shorter than premium models. Who it's for: great for first-time flyers who want professional-level results without setup hassle. Final verdict: the K600 GPS 5 offers smooth flight, solid GPS precision, and clear video, making it a value-packed, user-friendly drone. Product number 4, WeFone WF33 4K GPS drone. The WeFone WF33 is a compact 4K drone that combines portability, stability, and ease of use. Weighing under 249 grams, it requires no FAA registration and fits perfectly into any travel bag. Its 4.5-inch LCD controller provides real-time HD FPV viewing, eliminating the need for smartphone setup. The 4K UHD camera captures detailed footage, while 5G transmission ensures smooth, low-latency video. GPS-assisted flight, auto return, and follow me modes provide safe and intelligent navigation. Dual batteries offer up to 40 minutes of flight, and brushless motors deliver quiet performance with strong wind resistance. Pros: 4K camera with built-in FPV screen. Long battery life and easy GPS control. Cons: camera tilt adjustment is limited. Who it's for: perfect for travelers, vloggers, and beginners wanting premium features. Final verdict: the WF-33 delivers crisp 4K footage, stable performance, and simple operation, making it an excellent budget-friendly GPS drone. Product number 5. Holystone HS360S. The Holystone HS360S is a premium GPS drone designed for hobbyists who want 4K clarity and strong flight control. Its 4K UHD camera with a 1/3 inch Galaxy Core sensor delivers vibrant color and sharp detail. The lightweight, foldable body at 249 grams means no FAA registration is required. With a control range of about 10,000 feet and a flight time of 20 minutes per battery, it's ideal for capturing large landscapes or long tracking shots. The GPS system ensures accurate positioning, while smart functions like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Tap Fly make piloting simple and creative. The auto return to home feature prevents loss during low battery or weak signal. The HS360S app regularly receives updates, improving performance and adding flight tools for better footage. Pros: 4K UHD imaging, reliable GPS, long-range control. Cons: average battery duration. Who it's for: ideal for serious hobbyists who value image stability and range. Final verdict: the HS360S blends precision, durability, and clarity, making it one of the best mid-range drones in its class. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.